you for watching News channel.
I, as Sam Engola, have not accepted the result of this election. Reason, I was supposed to campaign last night. All of you know that you are locked in somebody's house. Police went there this morning. I have the recording here. Last week, Ochen went on the radio, said 305 people have been kept in the house.
I am not bothered about the petition. Instead, it's me who was supposed to petition. Yesterday, they sent police to my home. The police didn't get people. This morning, I woke up at 6. I found heavy police already deployed in my home. I asked the police, what is the problem? Is there a crime? They kept on dodging.
MP Auma has finally defeated the incumbent Sam Engola in the Lira District NRM Chairperson election. Meanwhile, Sam Engola has rejected the results of this election. I do welcome you to News Today on Lao News Channel. I am Dennis Ongora. Now we look at the details of what happened in Itek Sub-County. Lira District Woman Member of Parliament Linda Agnes Auma has been elected as the new National Resistance Movement Chairperson for Lira District, defeating the incumbent Sam Engola in the residual elections held on Friday in Itek Sub-County. Auma got 188 votes against Sam Engola, who got 155 votes. Former Otuke RDC George Abdul was also elected as the Vice Chairperson after getting 193 votes, beating Peter Okello Oyoo, who got 120 votes. Angola rejected the election results and said he will write a petition against Auma for hiding voters in her home. He also accused electoral officials for denying him opportunity to campaign again before voting started.
2. I, as Sam Engola, have not accepted the result of this election. Reason, I was supposed to campaign last night. All of you know that you are locked in somebody's house. Police went there this morning. I have the recording here. Last week, Ochen went on the radio, said 305 people have been kept in the house. Those are the evidence for the petition. So I am not accepting anything. I'm not going to sign any document with my colleagues.
After winning, Auma knelt before Angola and sought forgiveness for the rift that developed between them by this highly contested election, but Angola ignored her. Auma pledged to link party members to government programs. Auma said she is not bothered about Angola's intention to write a petition over this result. She also accused Angola of threatening her by sending police officers to her home twice.
I am not bothered about the petition. Instead, it's me who was supposed to petition. Yesterday, they sent police to my home. The police didn't get people. This morning, I woke up at 6. I found heavy police already deployed in my home. I asked the police, what is the problem? Is there a crime? They kept on dodging. The first election, they brought hooligans, kanyamas, disorganized the election. The second one, when he knew that he was going to fail, he again brought kanyamas with his hooligans, storm here, disorganized the election. Today, they knew that the security was too tight. They started pulling. I hope you, the journalists, were there watching because you were outside, pulling my people from the line, complaining, why are people putting on yellow? You NRM, and you're complaining about yellow as if you don't read the constitution of NRM Schedule 2.
The NRM Electoral Commissioner in charge of Lao and Asholi, Driwaru Zaitun, called for unity among NRM in Lira to enable them mobilize votes for both Angola and Auma, who are the NRM parliamentary flag bearers of 2026 elections.
This has been one of the most difficult places, but That assumption is proved wrong today. Today we have proved it wrong. So whoever has been having negative thinking about Lira District, I want to prove you wrong today. You can see all the candidates are here. You will hear the words that they are going to give to our people. We are going to move with this kind of mood. I know we are going to make NRM win massively in Lira District.
Meanwhile, in Amolatar, the former Uganda National Teachers Union boss, Camilo Oluit, won the NRM district seat after trouncing the Kyoga North MP James Olobo Dubai and Leo Oshen. Oluit garnered 303 votes against Olobo Dubai, who got 269 votes, and Leo Oshen, who got 3 votes. The NRM district structure elections in Lira and Amolatar were postponed for 2 times due to violence and irregularities which marred the previous elections. Some elements of violence were also witnessed in this last Lira district election, where the supporters of Sam Engola assaulted some supporters of Auma Linda, accusing them of playing double standard by receiving money from Angola but later joining Auma's camp. Thank you for watching and have a good time.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.